So the warm-up begins. Both players shake hand, attacking players with inverted rubbers on both sides. Just like the previous match 6. He's won 2 golds at European Championships, both in men's team. Also, of course, the Olympic silver in Tokyo and the world silver from Chengdu last season. Tough one to call, this one. Tough to say stylistically who's favoured here in this matchup, but I mean Gacina takes a lot of the top. Here we go.
1-love.
Good start from Duda, but Gacina's lost a considerable amount of weight. It used to be a lot thicker set, and you can notice. Good recovery there from... Manages to paint the table on the white line. Excellent loop-to-loop rally there. Duda. Nice early timing point. Transfers the energy forward from his left leg through to his right. So spinny and deep. High enough to, but a very tricky ball to deal with there for Gacina. Does better there. Duda, Neek, I love watching in play. And what I like about Gacina is the smoothness. There's been a lot of smooth legends when they play. Just very seamless and smooth with the attacking and good readers of the game. But even if you read it, all Duda made on that step around. Second to none. Look at that. Thank you very much, he says.
Bye.
So clever. So craft, Gacina. Just stalls for a split second to see.
6-6.
Good brush up there from Gacina. Strong flick as well. Has a 2-point cushion now, the Croatian.
8-6. 9-6.
Just Duda was a little bit too close to the table there, I feel. Four-game points. This is a in his positioning. Catches the edge there and wins game 1.
Yeah.
6-all. But a high five to the coach after winning 5 points in a row. Trying to kind of close that gap.
1-love.
Great lesson in dinner. Not obvious what he's going to do. That was so low, tight and backspin. They suffocated Duda's ability to touch. Ripping backhand as well. He is flying right. Duda just not able to.
2-1.
Tries to grease that like a... Wow. Duda is really struggling to identify what's on the serve here. That's nice though. Read that with Gacina's pace to guide it out wide. Gacina makes that... Misses that one, a lot of rotation from... Yeah, that's clever. Pushed awkward territory there.
Five sweep.
Reverse pendulum. Oh. Done well there to react to that net, but I think it may have hit the net on the way back. Yeah, very dangerous from that position, Benedikt Duda.
Seven, 5.
2 away. That is so clean, that bites into the table surface there. Falls straight off the...
Let 8-5. Six, 8.
Say Duda in most of the loop-to-loop rallies. That's where he likes to play, mid-distance. Big point there, and he can Gacina flicking with the backhand from the forehand side into the middle. That is, again, so set. Wow. 0 up. Very impressive stuff indeed. Let's see what...
1 love.
So Benedikt Duda here. Unlikely, but always possible.
Love 2.
November last year.
Let. Love 2. Love 3.
And here the minor...
3-1.
Amazing feeling there from Gacina. Good ball. He was so close to it. Hadn't yet come out and had to do a little chop block there. Again, it's that smoothness of Gacina's attacks that's just so easy on the eye. Down the line. Jaw dropping. And a timeout from Duda to try and heal from that scarring shot.
4-4. 4-5. Let 4-5.
Tried the fade.
6-5.
Unbelievable in there. Finds the angle. Magic from Gacina. Really pulled the bunny out of that. Just so solid. He's like a counter loop king at the moment. Barely missing. That high, transferring through over the top here to bagel the dude.
8-6. 9-6.
Sir.
Seven, 9.
Wow. So springy.
Let 7-10.
Well, that is a performance of his team. And we'll see what happens now. So 1-1 now in this quarter final.
Film, analyze, win. That's the game. Your results will clearly improve when you start filming your game and analyzing it from outside. Now analysis takes much less time thanks to Better Play's artificial intelligence.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.